Welcome back to the Ruck Shop's YouTube channel. In today's video for our part breakdown series, we have our bar and mirrors. This is another one that we get a lot of questions on with installation and what you have to do to get it to fit into your bars. These will work with the factory Ruckus bars. You do just have to cut a hole at the end of the grip that you'll have on your bar. And some of the models with the throttle tube, you'll have to cut the plastic of the end piece of the throttle tube for the right side. Typically, if you have just say an NCY bar like we have here, you will have a rubber end piece in there, an end cap, and what you will do is just pull that out and it will look similar to this. Then you'll have the hole open at the end of the tube. Your bar and mirror will look similar to this here. What it is there's two metal sheaths and then a nut. That nut's going to tighten up, pull that sheath into here, and causing this to expand inside the bar itself, and that's what's going to lock it in place. So some of you may notice that if it's too tight from the start, that it will not fit into your bar. In this case it does. So what you'll do if it is too tight is just loosen the nut, pull down on this larger sheath, loosen the nut, pull back down, and that's going to make it a little bit thinner, so it will allow you to get into the tube itself. So next we'll put it into the handlebar, and then you're going to take your Allen head, in this case it's a 6mm, and you're going to tighten up this end nut right here. So you're going to want to keep turning it until it gets really tight. And then once that's done, you can give it a pull and see that it has expanded inside the tube, catching it. So that's good. And then after that, you just adjust the mirror to your liking. So you can turn it up, down, whichever direction you need to, so that you can get the best angle for your safety. Hope you guys enjoyed this short video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next small parts breakdown.